Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Shardemarie. If you are new here, welcome. And in today's video, we are doing my fourth installment of my holiday glam look. This time we're going soft glam-ish, I guess. To me, I consider this soft glam. So yeah, I'm in love with this look as well. I've really been loving the looks I've been putting out for you guys, and I hope you guys have as well. So if you want to see how to get this eye look, then continue to keep on watching. Alright guys, so let's hop into this eye tutorial. Yes, we have another eye tutorial. I've really been loving doing these just because they're quick and simple tutorials for you guys, and the videos is not super long because I know a lot of us have ADD and we want to get into the meat and potatoes of the video, so I prefer doing these more than doing like a full face. But maybe we'll get back into it later on, but for right now, I just been sticking to the eye tutorials, and you guys seem to really like it, so I'm gonna keep doing what you guys like. Couple of things. Have you guys noticed something new? Yes, I got me a Christmas background. I just think this is super cute, and it gives this video more of a Christmassy vibe this time around. So yeah, I love it. And secondly, if you hear the TV in the background, please don't mind it. I'm watching the classic Christmas special on AMC, so right now I can't watch it, but I want to be able to listen to it. So there's that. And lastly, I am doing vlogging over on my vlogging channel, Shardemarie TV. So head over there if you want to watch my vlogmases. I'm doing them weekly, not daily. So Vlogmas Week 1 is up, and Vlogmas Week 2 will be coming up very soon. So keep a lookout for that, and while you're over there, go ahead and subscribe to that channel as well. So yeah, let's get into this look. This look is going to be a soft glam look because I've been doing color for the past two looks, and then I just gave y'all something really simple. This time I wanted to do a soft glam look for the girls. So the palette of choice today is going to be, it's a Mood palette. I haven't tested this palette out since I reviewed it, and I did those two looks with one palette look, so I do have a video up, obviously, doing that, so I'll have it in the cards above if you want to check my first impressions of this palette out. But yeah, we're going to do a soft glam look using this palette, so let's hop right into it. So the first color I'm going to take is going to be this color here called Bonafide, and we're going to place that right above the arch of our eyebrows. And all the brushes that I'm using are going to be from Morphe. They don't have a name on them, but I did get this in a as a birthday gift from a real good friend of mine. So yeah. Okay, and FYI, I did not prep my eyes like with primer or nothing like that. If you're one of the girls who needs to do that, then go ahead. I'm just free balling it the way that it is. Okay, so the next color we're going to go to is, will be our transition color, is the color called Crave You, right here. Right here. It's more on the orange nude side, but I think it'll be perfect, and we're just going to throw this in the crease and blend it in with that Bonafide color. Okay. One thing about this palette, I think I said it in my first initial review of this, it is a very powdery palette, so just be aware of that you will get some kickback using this. So the next color we're going to take called is a Rush. It's a little bit deeper than Crave You, and we're going to put this in the crease and start pushing it in our outer corners as well. Alright, so this is where we're at so far. Next color we're going to go to is our Deal. Down here at the bottom is like a chocolate brown, and we're going to just deepen up the inner corners, the outer corners, my bad. We're going to deepen the outer corners with that color. Alright, so the next color we're going to take is this color up here called Love Song, which is like a light gold color. So now you could use your fingers to place it on your lid. I'm going to actually just use a flat shader brush just because I want to make sure I can get all up in there, and with my finger I really can't do that. But do what works best for you. Okay, so this is where we at with the eyes. Now I suggest just grabbing a clean blending brush, doesn't matter, and just going over everything and just making sure that you blend in. Okay, everything is blended. So normally I would take these eye tapes off, but I actually want to keep them on so I can do my liner. Now you don't have to do liner, you can just leave it as it is, do your mascara and put it on. But I mean, what type of look is this without liner? So let me find my liner. Okay, so I'm taking this liquid eyeliner. I was looking for my pen. I thought I had a black eyeliner pen, but I guess we'll just have to go with this. And I'm just going to follow the what I'm trying to say. I'm just going to follow the, I guess, the shape of my eye, but I'm going to put the line up against the eye tape because I want to see how it would look if the eyeliner is up and not that way. You get me? Okay. Okay, I feel like they're going to match. I really do. Okay, so now we can take this off. Ooh. Very nice, very nice. So this is where we're at right now with the eyes. For mascara, I'm taking my Holy Grail, my Monsoor Big from Lancome. This one is so old, but I have another one on standby. I just haven't opened it up yet. Okay. And you guys already know the drill. I'm gonna do my lashes and my face off camera. The lashes today, I'm going to retry these Lava Los Angeles lashes. I got this in a BoxyCharm, and I think in that video I wasn't a huge fan of it just because I'm not used to having lashes with thick bands, and these Lava lashes sort of have a thick band, and I want to get used to using this eyelash applicator. So I'm gonna retry these again. I'm gonna put this on again. I'm gonna do my makeup off camera, and then we'll be back to finish up the eyes and do the lip. Okay guys, so now we're back. The face is on, it's sitting. I am loving it. So now let's finish up the eyes. I'm going to take this gel eyeliner from AOA Studio. This is in Java Chip. It's a brown instead of a black. Just because we are going to smoke out the bottom lash line with that Ideal color, so I just want something to match it. Again, I'm gonna take that same brush that we used to clean up this, the top area, to basically run that below the bottom area and just clean up the edges. Alright, so the eyes are finished. Now let's move on to the lips. I just had to blot off some of my lip oil that I got from Trust Fund Beauty. We're going with the handy dandy lip liner from Juvia's Place. And the lipstick of choice today, I'm using this Revlon Color Stay Satin Ink in Your Go-To, and we're just going to fill in the center. I don't think I've used this one yet, so this is gonna be my first time testing this color out. I also already set my face off camera as well, so I won't be doing that again. But you could double double set, like if you use a mist or something just to blend in all, to melt in your powders, and then you can use like a matte setting spray or something like that. But my face is already sitting kind of matte, and I don't know why I look green right now on camera. Maybe because it's like super gloomy outside, so maybe that's why. But FYI, hopefully I don't like this again in editing. But this is the look. It's a whole lot of money in this phone. It's a whole lot of money in this phone.
I'ma give me run no broke shit, that bullshit get. I'ma give me run no whole shit, these hoes get too broke. I'm allergic to that no shit, my wrist game on coke. I'ma do my coupe like just to.
Cute, cute, cute. Now, I know I said soft glam. I still consider this soft glam. It's just a little bit more glam, I guess, than like really soft. Because from my understanding, soft glam don't really have all of this going on. But I love this. I love it, and I think it's perfect for holidays. Again, you can substitute what you don't want, like smudging out the bottom lash line. You don't have to do that. You don't have to do like the deepening of the outer corners, or even like putting the shadow underneath of your brows if you just want to keep it as minimal as possible. You don't have to do that, but I mean, it's the holidays. You have to show up and show out. You know what I mean? You know what I mean. So yes, you guys, this is my 4th installment of my holiday glam looks. I hope you guys been enjoying it, and if you like this video, then give this video a thumbs up, as well as subscribe and turn on your bell notification to get notified when I upload my next video. Don't forget, I am doing Vlogmas over on my vlogging channel, which is always linked down below, so go over there and check out Vlogmas week 1 and look out for Vlogmas week 2. I love you guys. Thank you much for the support, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.